Hey there, food lovers! Imagine starting your day with a burst of flavors, a splash of colors, and a touch of sweetness that leaves you craving more. Today, I am sharing 3 delightful recipes that are not just easy to make but are sure to make your taste buds dance with joy. And the best part? They are perfect for a healthy start to your day or a light snack anytime. Let's dive into the magic of simple, wholesome ingredients that bring comfort to your soul and health to your body. Ready? Let's get cooking. First up, we have a salsa toast that's not just any ordinary toast. Usually, making a salsa might have you reaching for Italian breads and fancy ingredients like balsamic vinegar. But here I have got a twist. An easy, quick recipe that suits your everyday Indian kitchen. Start by taking a bowl and adding freshly chopped tomatoes, onions, green coriander, a touch of jalapeno, and some finely chopped garlic. These simple ingredients are your ticket to a flavorful salsa. Feel free to add in any other veggies you love. After all, cooking is all about making it your own. Now for that tangy twist, squeeze in some lemon juice. It's this zesty addition that brings everything together, creating an irresistible aroma that fills your kitchen with delight. Sprinkle in a pinch of salt and give it all a good mix so the juices can marry and create a vibrant, fresh taste. Now, let's move on to our toast. Take a pan, add a little ghee because nothing beats that warm, nutty flavor. Add a toast, a slice of multigrain bread until it's golden and crispy. Spread your freshly made salsa on top and voila, your healthy, tasty, crunchy salsa toast is ready. It's a must try for tomato lovers, but if tomatoes aren't your thing, swap them out for some creamy avocado. The best part? This snack is under 100 calories, making it the perfect 4 pm pick-me-up. And if you're really pressed for time, the salsa works wonders as a side with some non-fried lentil chips. Quick, tasty and satisfying. Next we have a quick and refreshing recipe for those sudden 4 pm hunger pangs. A 1-cup fruit salad that's both nutritious and delicious. All you need are 2 simple ingredients. 100 grams of yogurt and 50 grams of your favorite fruits. Whisk the yogurt until it's smooth and creamy, then mix in your fruits. Today I am using apple, pomegranate and orange for a sweet and tangy combo. But feel free to use whatever fruits you have on hand. If you don't have yogurt, don't worry. Hunkered works just as well. Just make sure it's made from low-fat milk to keep things light and healthy. For an extra crunch, toss in some seeds if you're not watching your calories. This salad is not only super easy to whip up, but it's also the perfect snack to keep you full and energized throughout the day. And now for the grand finale, an interesting oatmeal bowl that's both nourishing and satisfying. Perfect for those late night cravings. Start with 2 tablespoons of oats, 1 tablespoon of curd and half a cup of low-fat milk. These 3 ingredients are all you need to create a creamy, dreamy oatmeal bowl. Mix everything together, making sure the oats soak up all that goodness from the milk and curd. If you like your oatmeal on the sweeter side, add a drizzle of honey or a pinch of cinnamon powder. Let the mixture sit for 3 to 4 hours so the oats can swell and soak in all that moisture. And then it's ready to enjoy. This bowl is also under 100 calories, making it a guilt-free snack. If you're feeling indulgent, go ahead and top it with some nuts and fruits. This is your perfect answer to midnight snacking, keeping it healthy without compromising on taste. So, there you have it. 3 simple, healthy and incredibly delicious recipes that are sure to satisfy your cravings any time of day.